I promise I really tried.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name's Carissa. So today I'm doing a quick kitchen cleanup and also a weekly Woolworths grocery haul. If you want to go straight to the grocery haul and skip the cleaning part, you should go to about 6 minutes into the video, and that's where the grocery haul starts. So in the kitchen for the cleanup, I'm just putting away anything that was left out from last night and trying to get it all neat and tidy before the groceries get delivered.
Feel alright when I'm not. I've been like this from the beginning. I just wanna make you feel alright when I'm not. I just wanna make you feel alright when I'm not. I just wanna make you feel alright when I'm not. I still know you inside out. That is why you call me in the night. Oh, and these days when I'm not around, you've done your best to find someone new to give all your time. But all you wanna do is rewind. Oh, I guess that I cannot hide the emotions left inside. I need to stop reminiscing. I still wanna make you feel alright when I'm not. I've been like this from the beginning. I just wanna make you feel alright when I'm not. I just wanna make you feel alright when I'm not.
Pepsi bottle, I've washed it out, I'm getting rid of the label and throwing it on the floor. It's not staying there for trash. My dog Jet loves playing with them, so that's what I do.
When I'm not.
I got the groceries delivered and these are the gentlemen just bringing them in for me. While they're doing that, I'm just going to continue to clean. And when they're finished, I will unpack and then I'll get on with telling you what I actually brought.
Boy, it's been a while since we talked and my head's getting nervous. I can't handle this on and off. I can't, no. I just gotta know where you are if I want to remain sane. But you're ghosting every text and call. Oh no, you could be running off with somebody else. Ooh, boy, I ask myself, yeah. Wait, maybe you're just off doing what you said. Ooh, think I've lost myself. Tell me what's the hold up, baby. Tell me why your phone's off lately. I don't wanna go off crazy, but I think I'm losing it. Tell me where your heart is these days. Are you being honest with me? I don't wanna go this cray-cray, but I think I'm losing it bad. I think I'm losing it. I think I'm losing it. I think I'm losing it bad. I think I'm losing it. I think I'm losing it. I think I'm losing it bad. I've been staring at my phone too long. Feel my eyes getting tired, and the battery is long, long gone. Oh no, no. There is something you're not telling me, but I can't wrap my head around it. You said you and I were meant to be last week. You could be running off with somebody else. Ooh, boy, I ask myself, yeah. Wait, maybe you're just off doing what you said. Ooh, Tell me what's the hold up, baby. Tell me why your phone's off lately. I don't wanna go all crazy, but I think I'm losing it. Tell me where your heart is these days. Are you being honest with me? I don't wanna go this cray-cray, but I think I'm losing it bad. I think I'm losing it. I think I'm losing it. I think I'm losing it bad. I think I'm losing it. I think I'm losing it. I think I'm losing it bad. Wish my mind and I could free ourselves from agony, but without you here it's hard to keep my thoughts clean. I'm just worried there is something you're not telling me. Ooh, ooh. Tell me what's the hold up, baby. Tell me why your phone's off lately.
So this is what I got. I got the dog food, that was $6. I got some mac and cheese for my son, that was $4.50. I got some noodles for my daughter, they were $3.95. I got a pasta sauce, that was $1.75. Some tubular spaghetti, and some mini apples for the kids to snack on. I got 2 bags of these Doritos, so there's 6 single serves. They were 2 for $5. I got some washed potatoes, they were $4 for 2 kilos. I got some beef sausages, some beef mince, and some drumsticks, some unsalted butter. Oh, sorry, I haven't been saying the prices of anything. So the tubular spaghetti was $1.70. You can obviously see the price of the beef mince, it was $5.50. The sausages were $5.50. The drumsticks were $5.71. The apples were $2.50. The unsalted butter was $2.70. I got a lettuce, that was $3. Some spring onion, that was $1.90. Some deodorant for myself, that was $3. Some banana topping, that was $3.50. I got 2 of these thickened creams, they were $1.65 each. This Ritz dips French onion, that was $2. Some table spread, that was $1.60. Some cheese slices, they were $3.70. I got a pasty, that was $2.60. The classic beef pie was $2.50. The little curried chicken pies, they were $4. Some chocolatey LCM split sticks, they were $2. So I got some dairy milk 15-piece share pack and some flake. There's 12 pieces in them. They were $3 each. I got some carrots. They were $1.50. I got 2 tomatoes. I'm not sure of the price of them. I got these vanilla yogurt and strawberry yogurt. They were $4.95 each. I got a big packet of Jaffas and a big packet of Fantails. They were 2 for $8. The 12, what a mouthful. The 12
12 pieces, was $3 also. I got 2 bags of chips. They were $1.99 each. The bananas were $2.50. A chicken satay, so it's just a frozen meal, that was $3.50. The crumb chicken nuggets, they were $3.50. The beef lasagna meal was $3. 2 litres of ice cream, that was $2.65. And I got a big 20 pack of the single serves of chips, that was $5. I also got a 12 pack of toilet paper, that was $3.75. And I'll just move you around. I got a lot of soft drink. So I'll just do the prices of them. They're 75 cents each. I did get a 3 litre milk, that was $3.25. The Coke 2 litres was $2. I got some raspberry, that's another 75 cents. The cola was 75 cents. The orange was 75 cents. And the Pepsi was $2. So all up I spent $169. I think that's pretty good.
So now it's time just to pack the groceries away. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell so the next time I upload you know. And also give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Thanks guys.
There is nothing to be broken. Hear this moment. Don't let me think back. Give me what I need. Just wanna forget. Don't need time to breathe. 2 hearts pumping blood. Beating up for fun. Caress my bruises. Don't wanna go deep. Do it again and again, babe. No matter if we come clean. Tomorrow is soon. We'll be strangers. It's so easy and free in this dark warm oasis. There is nothing to be broken. Hear this moment.